Hello, I'm Paul from Bezla. Troubling events in the global economy, from stock market volatility, weak growth in China and plunging oil prices, coupled with a slowdown in industry growth, have made hoteliers more cautious regarding new business opportunities. So in this episode, I'm going to look at the rising cost of money. Hiccups in the global economy don't mean the hospitality world stops. It is a time of healthy growth and hotel industry dynamism, and many owners are looking to reposition their properties. Of course, property improvements can be expensive. This is particularly true for brand-mandated property improvement plans, or PIPs, which many feel are becoming increasingly aggressive in recent years. One of the main factors behind this push is the industry's desire to capture the millennial demographic, with a footprint in the hospitality marketplace growing ever larger. Many brands are changing the look and feel of their properties to try and attract the millennial traveller. This is true both for new brands and in PIPs for established brands. All players have the same goal, and it's something that owners and operators need to tackle sooner rather than later. One of the most common situations in which hoteliers can find themselves facing an aggressive PIP or redevelopment project is when a property changes hands. If a hotel's brand standards aren't entirely up to date, it can present a problem for a potential buyer. When a hotel changes ownership, the franchise is not assumed by the new owner. They must apply for the flag as though applying for a new franchise. And to meet the requirements of a new franchise, hotels must reflect the latest brand standards. The astute owner planning to sell a property is wise to order a change of ownership PIP from the brand before even putting that hotel to market. With a huge number of properties being bought and sold, lenders know that every branded property will probably have a PIP component. But what if you're not buying or selling a property, but still need to pay for a large-scale PIP or renovation? Refinancing could be the answer if you don't have the liquid capital on hand. There is a wide variety of lenders who still have a lot of liquidity available for loans in the hotel marketplace. However, while there are many loan options available, it is getting increasingly difficult to finance improvement plans. This phenomenon can especially be seen in the case of commercial mortgage-backed securities, or CMBS loans, which are becoming increasingly difficult for hoteliers to secure. This is due to a provision of the Dodd-Frank Wall Street Reform and Consumer Protection Act, which arose following the 2008 financial crisis and passed into law in July 2010. This act requires that banks keep a stake in any commercial property loans they package into security before selling off. This has the effect of discouraging banks from engaging in risky lending practices and making them far more reluctant to approve a loan that doesn't seem favourable, consequently making it more difficult to get any construction loans through. However, even if a loan is approved, sometimes PIPs simply aren't cost effective. If, after everyone does the maths, the cost is too high, it's not unknown for one or more parties to walk away from a deal. Whether it be hotels changing hands or refinancing, sometimes a transaction just doesn't make sense because to go through with a PIP and maintain the hotel's existing flag is simply going to be too expensive. There are occasions where a hotelier won't know that a project is out of his scope until the process is already underway, so planning and caution are crucial considerations here. Before going through with any kind of major transaction, hoteliers looking to finance a PIP or other renovation project should carefully take all of their options into account. If Bezla could help with your hotel marketing, visit our website at bezla.com or call us at 888 999 8086. Thank you for watching today.